Writing a single sentence every day is a great habit to oil yourself as the writing machine you may wish to become. A single sentence can have character, plot, intrigue and emotion, and perfecting single sentences will improve your editing skills considerably as you work to get just the right words for what you want to say. Here are some examples of strong sentences. Make your single sentences a good habit by doing them at the same time every day, storing them all in one place and then reviewing them every few months to see which ones inspire. Are there consistent themes emerging? And do you have a favourite? If so, why? Step this up a notch by creating sentences which are stories. Here are some fine ones. Remember, stories can have character, journey, and turnaround. In a story, something must happen. And if you have a project you want to get cooking, then why not use visual images which suit that project to inspire your single sentences? You could create a mood board for your project and write single sentences for each image, or even just choose book covers that you like and admire and write your single sentences to them. Once you're flowing with this technique, of course, you don't need to confine yourself to a single sentence. Just let the words keep running. And the benefit of this little habit is that every night you can go to bed thinking, "Hell yes! Hooray! I wrote something today." This is a mind note from Philippa Davis.